Drug trafficking organizations, commonly referred to as DTOs, peddle a deadly product with little regard for the toll it takes on buyers and society as a whole. This investigation into a DTO that spanned the country seemed to uncover additional crimes at every turn. When Postal Inspectors disrupted a Southern California DTO supplying narcotics to several eastern states, things spiraled out of control for the traffickers. It ended with a triple homicide investigation. In July 2018, Postal Inspectors from the Pittsburgh Division reached out to Los Angeles Division Postal Inspector Joe Weidenkopf for assistance with a cocaine DTO. The investigation discovered that Troy Williams and his girlfriend, Marcia Cunningham, were mailing parcels containing cocaine to locations in Pennsylvania, Florida, New York, Connecticut, and Ohio. They then received drug proceeds through 2 mail receiving agencies in California. Search warrants executed on 3 parcels revealed $101,000 in drug proceeds. Due to the substantial seizures and a growing suspect list in Southern California and nationwide, DEA and Postal Inspectors prepared and received approval for OCDETF status and funding in December 2018. Several seizures were made, suspects identified, and wiretaps were set up. The wiretaps proved to be prophetic. A conversation was overheard on one of the wires regarding a triple homicide in Porter Ranch, California. 3 victims had been shot execution style in a home in what appeared to be a drug deal gone bad. Postal Inspectors and DEA agents met with LAPD robbery homicide detectives who were investigating the murders. After weeks of investigative work, suspects Travis Reed, Kenneth Peterson, and Chiquetta Cook were identified and a nexus to the ongoing OCDETF case was established. Reed felt the California victims had burned him in a drug deal when $377,000 in cash went missing. Numerous investigative techniques were employed in the weeks and months that followed, including liaison with Washington Division CI2 inspectors who had been working some seized parcels related to the case suspects as well. In June 2019, all 3 murder suspects were arrested on California state murder charges. Numerous tentacles of this case ensued in the following months, leading to seizures of narcotics and numerous drug proceeds. Also, there were additional arrests on a variety of charges for several co-conspirators. The primary murder suspects, Reed and Peterson, were found guilty of murder in December 2023. Co-conspirator Cook and several other associates pled guilty to lesser charges. Williams, Cunningham, and others were indicted on drug charges. These criminals brought drugs and violence into communities. Postal Inspectors and their law enforcement partners made sure these criminals never returned.